this is a science project that I was told to do on classifying the states of matter, so here we go. Now there's three main different states of matter that we'll be talking about, those being solid, liquid, and you can't really see it next to me right now, but gas. Now there's technically four states of matter, but I don't know how the heck I'm supposed to get my hands on plasma. So the two that I can actually hold right here are being solids and liquids. You probably recognize these. Water is a very good example of everything. So yeah, and then there's obviously gas. Can't really show that, but I guess I'll just put something, I don't know, I'll try to figure it out. Now a very good way we can demonstrate the gas state of matter is with this, a pot of water. Not only that, but while it's running I can also tell you about phase change. That's kind of hot. The phase change is going to occur to this water to a gas is going to happen once that the water reaches its boiling point, which is around 100 degrees Celsius. Now what this is going to do is just change the water, get it hot enough to a point, and it's going to turn it to a state of gas. There's a few more, such as water freezing to turn into ice. And our best example, which is right here, this water is now turning into steam, and this is a phase change that I'll put right here, because I don't remember right now. So that's that, so we can see the pot of water is now boiling, and that is steam. So yeah, I'll put it back on the burner just because I didn't want it to burn down the house. But yeah, that is water to steam. And now I'm gonna dump this out because I don't want to burn down my house. Ah, more steam, look at that. The last one I'll name right now is just melting, where the state of solid goes into the state of liquid, such as ice melting into water. Water is a great example for this because water can be in all different types of states of matter. And honestly, when ice melts into water, it makes a really nice, relaxing beverage. I know that everybody watching this is in high school, but I don't really care. I'm just gonna go over some different examples of the states of matter. These are all going to be examples of the state of solid. This is called solid because it has a definite shape and volume and will stay like that unless melted. But I don't think you can really melt a glass cup. Not the cups themselves, but what's in the cups would be examples of states of liquid. These are liquids because they have a definite volume, but they don't have a definite shape. They take up the shape of their container that they're in. As you can see, I move this around, it's not like a solid chunk of ice. And like you saw earlier, there's also the state of gas. It's called a gas because it doesn't really have a definite shape or volume. It's kind of all around me right now. I don't really know what's in the air with me right now, but there's gases here, and like I said, they don't have a definite shape or volume, so they're classified as a completely different state. Now, if we talk about why this is important, it is important to understand that matter exists in all states and that matter can also change states. It does this by either using or releasing energy, and it is usually associated with changes in temperature and pressure. A simple example is water. If you have a block of ice, you have solid water. Okay, we already went over that stuff. Well, yeah, basically, it's important to know the different states of matter and why it's important just for either further research, further study, or any experiments that we have that you made back in maybe 5th grade. There are at least 8 different phase changes when it comes to matter. Those being melting, which is solid to liquid, freezing, which is liquid to solid, vaporization, which is liquid to gas, condensation, which is gas to liquid, deposition, which is gas to solid, sublimation, which is solid to gas, ionization, which is gas to plasma, and recombination, which is plasma to gas. Hope you guys enjoyed this small little video about classifying the states of matter. I will see you guys in the next video, and my teacher, you will see me sitting in the science seat that you gave to me. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.